Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. How to be your own master. Any person, situation, or thing capable of angering you, depressing you, frustrating you, or controlling you in any way is your master. To be your own master, look at your thoughts right now. If the thought you're having at any moment is about another person, a situation, or a circumstance, that is your master, and you are the slave. Here's a real life example. I used to think that Howard was interested in my YouTube channel. I used to worry about what he might think while I'm filming. Nothing could be further from the truth. You can see he is right back there doing laundry and not paying any attention to me. He not only has no interest, but he pays no unnecessary attention to me. He sets a very solid example of paying attention to the only thing that will return his investment: himself. Now, I film and I talk and I practice regardless of whether he's here or not. Wherever he chooses to be is his business. I know that my responsibility and the only thing that I can control is to me and me. And so all my attention goes into responding to my obligations of monitoring and managing myself, this form. To be your own master, master you. Thank you for watching to the end. Be sure to subscribe. Where is my subscription? Oh, I put it in the shop, but we'll get it. And click that thank you thumb. Live deliberately. Namaste.